You're always doing housework, Mum. I'm bored.
Go and look for a hobby then.
Playing football's a great hobby.
You're no good, Enter. Go away.
How's my playing, Maestro?
It's no good at all. Get out of here.
Watch out! There's a car coming.
What on earth are you doing?
Saving your life.
Wow, you move quickly. Do you know Kung Fu?
No, but I want to learn. I'm looking for a hobby. What do you think, Master Chopsticks? Am I doing well?
Chopstick says, with time, even a bear can learn to dance.
Oh, look! Isn't that Bash's skateboard?
Yes, it is.
I've got an idea. I want to try skateboarding.
You can't enter. The skateboard is not yours.
Whoops! Help!
Hey! Come back! He took my bag!
I'm sorry!
Freeze! Give me back my whistle.
Sorry, officer. I can't stop.
Enter. Are you all right?
Oh, no. Look. Bash's skateboard is broken.
What happened to my skateboard? Grr, Enter.
Chopstick says, never take things that don't belong to you. Today, we're going to Dragonville, Enter.
Let me take a packed lunch.
You can learn all about dinosaurs here.
Wow! What scary animals! Where are we going now, Master?
To Dragon Henge. But first, we must catch a bus. Enter! Come back!
This bus is too fast! I can't catch it!
These stones have been here for hundreds of years.
Don't worry, Master. I can move them.
No! Don't move them, Enter!
Thanks, Master. I've learnt a lot about the world today.
Chopstick says, travel broadens the mind.
Enter. Your porridge is getting cold.
If I made my own breakfast machine, I wouldn't have to get up. First, I need a pot of water. Easy. I just heat the pot like this. Wow! I'm a genius!
Enter. If I were you, I'd get up right now.
OK, Mum. Just a minute. Ouch!
Chopstick says, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again.
Why did you take that penguin to the cinema?
I'll tell you why. I found the penguin yesterday at Snowy Lake. I asked the master what to do. He told me to take it to the zoo.
Take it to the zoo, Enter.
But the penguin had already been to the zoo, so I took it to the cinema.
Silly dragon. How can a penguin understand a film?
You are right. I thought the book was much better.
Chopstick says, laughter can be heard further than crying.